got a brake pedal. When you press the brake, it pushes down so far for some reason. So what he's going to do is mount an elevation for me, a little pad that makes it just a little more responsive.
Hey, welcome back everybody to the GST, the Grand Shamrock Tour. My name is John, but I'm with Carolyn's bike right now. It's a 2024 F750 GS, and that is the lowered version of the 850. It's a great bike. The only thing, even a great bike can have a few things that could use improving. And what we both noticed when we're riding this bike is the elevation of that rear brake pedal. It just wasn't good from a very comfortable riding position, and certainly not when you're standing up. It was a reach. You'd have to lean forward. But fortunately, there's a solution. So we've got, basically it's just a little pedal, a riser for the brake pedal. I'm going to put it on for you right now. Got a link to this in the description below to where we bought it from Amazon. Very inexpensive. I think it might be just $20 or just around there. You know, an Andrew Jackson. It's not going to be too much. Give me a second here. I'll mount this up, and then we're going to head out and go for a ride. So that was an unboxing video of the brake lever extension for the GS. Nice little GS logo on there. Couple of pieces. Got one Allen head, lock washer, a lock nut and a washer. And let's see how this thing goes in. Now, let's see how my puzzle solving skills are. That's it. All right, you can see this is going to be perfect for what she was requesting, and that I think is going to be ideal. You need a 3mm for the Allen head on the top, and you need a 8mm nut driver to hold it. It is a lock nut, so I'm not too worried about that. We'll get it somewhat tight. You can see how it fits right down into the brake pedal itself. What I kind of like about this is, you know, it's not going to drift on you because it's locked into the serrations of that. It's giving you that elevation that she was looking for. But more than anything, look at the wider footprint. I think this is going to be really great, especially if we're going to hit some dirt roads today, and you want to make sure that you've got good control in that situation. So let's go ahead and just give it a nice good tight. I'm happy with that, and we'll get Carolyn on this bike. We'll take it for a ride today. Got it.
Yeah. Okay. Let me try that. Oh my gosh. Well, it's right there. Okay, that's right there where it needs to be. So thank you for that, John. We may have to adjust it up or down while we're riding today, but let me try it. Even with my boots, it feels pretty good. Okay.
Bike, we'll take it for a ride today, and we'll give you some feedback. Thanks for following along. If you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. We've got a ton of stuff coming up on both the Transalp and the F750 GS. We really appreciate you being there with us. And on that note, travel safe, and we'll see you out on the road.